On 7, Governor Rick Snyder under oath and on camera. We have his testimony in Detroit's bankruptcy case.
7 investigator Jim Kurtzner has the video we're seeing for the first time and why Kevin Orr was picked to be emergency manager. Jim.
Yeah, criteria is the key word. Kevin Orr, a bankruptcy attorney, good communication skills, and yes, his race, says Governor Rick Snyder under oath.
There was criteria we discussed to go through this process.
Race?
Again, that would be a factor that could be of some consideration.
Kevin Orr, a Washington, D.C. bankruptcy attorney, given the job in March and in July took Detroit into bankruptcy.
I left it to Kevin Orr to make the decision.
The governor was questioned by attorneys representing Detroit retirees facing pension cuts that are protected by the Michigan Constitution. So did the governor violate his oath of office?
And it also involves the Constitution of the United States when you're talking Chapter 9 bankruptcy. And I thought it best to leave to a judge, the judicial branch, to make a determination of a legal question.
Governor testified he prepared for this deposition, and in many cases he would not answer because of legal advice he was given, including this.
Selling or monetizing assets such as the art, Belle Island, water and sewer, and other assets of Detroit.
Those discussions would have been subject to attorney-client privilege.
Well, I'm asking your view of whether or not those items should be on the table in connection with structuring that plan.
I view those as primarily Kevin Orr's decisions because he's the emergency manager for the city of Detroit.
There were 2 more depositions today, the state treasurer and an aide to the governor. The governor was also asked about his so-called private nerd fund that is covering some of the expenses of Detroit's emergency manager. Who's donating to it? We'll have that testimony in about a half an hour from now at 6. Jeff, Joanne?
Okay, Jim, thank you. Look forward to that.